Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the image and getting it into Lumion. First, ensure your file is JPG or PNG and under about 4096 pixels on the longest side to avoid memory issues. Once Lumion is open and your scene loaded, go to Build Mode and open the Objects panel so you can place a 2D plane or use the Photo Mode overlay. Make sure the image file stays in an easier-to-find folder. This avoids broken links when importing or relinking later. Next, place a surface to receive the picture and apply it as a material. Add a flat editable surface or a 2D plane from Custom Objects, then select Materials, choose the surface material, and load your image into the texture slot. Set the mapping mode to UV or planar depending on orientation, then use the scale and offset controls to fit the picture. Once the texture is applied, use the Transform gizmo to move, rotate, and scale the plane. You can tweak opacity or emission settings to match lighting and visibility. To finish, refine how the image reads in the scene and secure your work. Tweak scene lighting and shadow strength so the picture matches ambient light. Adjust sun position and environment settings for realism. When satisfied, group or lock the plane and save the project. Export renders from photo mode or movie if needed. If the image looks blurry or stretched, make sure the texture file is high enough resolution, check compression settings, and verify UV scaling. Relink or re-import the image after corrections if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.